Hello there. Today I'm going to show you how to add graphics and videos to a page so that it can be multimedia. First thing you do if you aren't familiar, you're going to click on Add Materials, scroll down to Add a Page. Give it a title. You'll want to add text or anything like that in the page already, but there's a separate video for that, so click on that to watch that. But I'm going to first start with how to add a graphic. This guy right here is our favorite friend. We're going to insert content. We're going to click on that. And because I want to add a graphic, I'm going to click on image. Now, the one thing you want to be aware of is your graphic has to have a place to pull from. So you'll want to have the picture, the graphic, or anything you plan on using already saved into your OneDrive or onto your computer. So I'm going to click on where it says Upload Media. I'll click on Attach File. And I'm going to go to what I already have saved in my OneDrive. I'm going to click on that recycling poster and I'm going to hit Open. It's processing it, and there it is. If I want to change the shape, I click on it to make it blue. There's a couple options here. You can click on this and you can change the dimensions right there. You also want to add a description for our 508 compliance. Perhaps you have someone that's visually impaired. So I always click on this and I'm going to just type in basically a graphic of, and you'll want to definitely save that so that they have that for anyone who's visually impaired. If I want to make it smaller, I'm going to click on this and just start dragging it. So I started dragging it to make it the size I want. Again, just a little tidbit here. Oftentimes it's easier when you're already in there to make your graphics is to go ahead and just change it there because it makes it easier to kind of drag it. So once I have that in place, then I'm going to hit Create. And my graphic will be on there when I click on my page. It's that simple. So that's how easy it is to make a graphic. Say I want to add a video. I'm going to, this cogwheel always is where I will do my editing. I click on that and now I have my graphic and I want to also add a video. And again, I would add some text for sure. So I'm going to move my cursor to where I can see that it will not be overlapping on my graphic. Again, I'm coming to Insert Content and I'm going to click on Image and Media again, but this time I'm going to click on the web and I'm going to click on Media. And I'm going to go ahead and go to YouTube. We like to use YouTube because the closed caption are often easy for people to go ahead and get. And again, we're paying attention to the 508 compliance. So I've already previewed this video. I know that this is the one I want. I will click on that. And then I'm going to click on the share. This is how I'm going to get, I don't want to copy, I want the embed code, because what the embed code will allow me to do is it'll allow it to be embedded right into the page. And so students don't have to toggle in between or out and in on the platforms. So I'm going to click on Start at 0 and I'm going to click down to make sure that I have player controls. Okay. And I click Copy. Then I come right back to where my page is and insert by pasting and click Insert. Now don't worry if it turns yellow, you did it absolutely correctly, and then you simply click Save Changes. And now I have my graphic and I have my video. When students watch it, then they can go full screen. They have the opportunity to turn on closed caption. And it's that simple.